take care of you. Take care of you. Take care of you.
Oh, and he came off. Oh, that was a giant one. Giant one. Might have been my first and only fish today. But what is up, guys? Welcome to today's episode. I am fishing in a giant storm. It's a giant storm blowing through here. And I'm just jigging these pads, this grass line right here. Hoping for some good bass. I just had one get off, as you can see. So hopefully I get some other catches before the storm rolls through. See you guys later. There we go, guys. I got one. This water smells like complete crap. I'll just swim out, swim out. You can't go any deeper. Line is tangled. There we go. Bring him in. There he is. And I had to go into water for this 1 pounder. Not a bad one though, no? Not a bad one. Let me come out of the water. Not a bad one for my first one. Got it on the dirty jig. I like it. Let this guy go. First fish. Not bad at all in this storm. And as you can see, it's raining. Woo! The jumper. Swing this guy up here. Same size as the other one. But yeah, on the dirty jig. Pop that out. Check that out. Nice one. Nice one. So we can get another one right here. Well, the rain's starting to pick up, so I might have to leave soon. I'm gonna finish this route. Not that bad, really small, but you know, I'll take it. Fish number 3 in the storm. Ooh yeah. It's freaking raining a lot. Backflip, backflip, boom. Yeah, 3 fish. Woo! Oh! No! He came off. Oh my gosh, he came off. Okay, so I've missed 3 fish today. Missed 3, caught 2. That cast was as soon as I cut the other footage. So I might just... Oh my gosh, that was a good one too. That was at least like 2.5, 3 maybe. I could tell, it was nice, it was nice. Yeah, I might make another circle. Ooh. Got a nice one on. Whoa! Slowly bring it in. Slowly bring it in. Woo! Oh, look at that monster. Holy crap. This is a monster. I don't even care that my shoes are soaking wet. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is a huge one. Look at this thing. Big one. Whew. That is definitely picture worthy. This is a nice look at the mouth of that guy. Sweetness. Oh yeah, baby. Let's let this go. There he is. There he goes. The plan. I'm gonna fish all the way down towards the bridge and then come back all the way the same way. Do like a little half circle thing. Hopefully I'll get one by then. And if not, then I think I had a pretty good day. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Catch you guys in a bit. Quits. The storm has really picked up. The wind's getting bad. And rain's coming down a lot more rapidly. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video of me fishing in a storm. Hope you guys enjoyed the bass I caught. And hopefully, I will be able to get some better weather that I can fish in next week. And see you guys later.